Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sanatana Dharma, or the eternal law of universe. It is the law that governs the existence of the entire universe. It is the law that the celestial bodies like sun, moon, stars all follows so that the world is existing. It is the law by which the water is flowing, the fire is burning. Like that, it is the law which holds this entire universe. We can call it as the law of existence of universe. Not only that, by following this law, the entire human community gets happiness, prosperity, and the growth. Human being wants to grow day by day. Generally, the mind doesn't like a limit. It wants to grow beyond any limits. But along with the material growth, the Sanatana Dharma will take on to the growth in spiritual level as well as the expansion of consciousness, and finally take on to the liberation or mukti, that is adhyandiga dukkha nivritti, getting out of sorrow forever. So this entire Sanatana Dharma is said in the Vedas only. Dharmo Vishwasya Jagata Pradishtha. As I said, the universe exists because of this Sanatana Dharma. Hence, Dharma is the highest. So, one can definitely think where this Vedas have come from. Because Vedo Agila Dharma Mulaha. The root of this Sanatana Dharma is Veda only. So, where is the origin of these Vedas? Vedas itself say Veda exists before the creation of the universe. Sabhuridi Vyaharad. From the sound only the creation happened. The creator, or in Sanatana Dharma we call the Brahman, or we can say the supreme consciousness or Chaitanyam. When this Brahman has got a wish to create, the creation happened. So Kamayada says Vedas. So the Brahman or the creator itself become different creations. Egam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. Here the creator itself become the instrument, and also it's got created into many. So the creator only became the Vedas. Also, when the creation happened, the creator became the Panchabhutas: air, water, fire, earth. All originated from the Brahman only. Also, the food for the world came from the Brahman. Once the food is ready, also the law to lead a happy and prosperous life and finally attain the liberation is ready, the creation of human being happens along with birds, animals and all. The initial days of the human creation, the rishis were born. Rishis also are the Brahman only, or they got the power of that creator very much with them. So, by the power of their minds, they grabbed the Vedas, which were already there in the atmosphere. With the power of their minds, they observed the Vedas and with their mouths they chanted it. As Vedas are in the form of sounds, it is called Shruti. As it is heard through ear, and then the next generations also chant. So the learning of Vedas only happened by chanting, hearing and repeating it. It was not written by anybody or not written anywhere. It is called Apaurusheyam. After that, the next generations who came wrote it in different languages like Devanagari, Grantha and all. So the entire world was following the Sanatana Dharma only. Slowly, the people with more enthusiasm and more creative skills, having their own belief systems, moved away from Sanatana Dharma and formed different religions. So, the religions like Christianity, Muslims, Buddhism, Jainism all originated, which was actually based on a single person. So, when these religions got originated, the followers of Sanatana Dharma were mainly on the banks of Sindhu river. So, instead of Sindhu, they pronounced it as Hindu and called it a religion. So, those who are on the banks of Sindhu river who practiced the Sanatana Dharma were called as Hindus by other religious people. So, Hindus or Hinduism is actually not a religion. Sanatana Dharma is the eternal law to be followed by every human being in this world for their happiness and prosperity, and finally to get the liberation. Unlike the other religions, there is no single inventor or founder for this Sanatana Dharma. If we ask, is there any founder for the science like physics or chemistry, we will immediately say the contribution came from different scientists like Albert Edison, Isaac Newton, and so on. The same way, Sanatana Dharma was also followed mainly on the basis of Vedas, and the Vedas existed before the creation itself, and after the creation it was there in the atmosphere, and the rishis with their mental power, they simply observed it from the atmosphere and they chanted it, and they are called the Mantra Drishta rishis. Thus the eternal law was there at the time of creation itself, and those followed it are actually the followers of Sanatana Dharma. It's a way of life, and Hinduism is not a religion. Namaskara.